listen to the forecast. The weatherman says it will be cold. Put on your coat, do as you're told. The wind will blow from the icy north. It will be freezing on January 4th. There will be snow on the highest hill. A winter chill, a winter thrill. It will rain, it will pour, thunder and lightning outside your door. But soon the sun will shine again. It will be warm, but we don't know when. The fog will lift, the sky will clear, the changing seasons of the year. In summer it will be hot and dry, not a single cloud up in the sky. The temperature will rise to 32. The ocean will be a beautiful blue. But take an umbrella just in case a storm will break all over the place. It will rain, it will pour, thunder and lightning outside your door. But soon the sun will shine again. It will be warm, but we don't know when. The fog will lift, the sky will clear, the changing seasons of the year. Will it snow? Yes, it will. Will it be sunny or windy and chill? It won't be foggy, it won't be gray. It will be a perfect sunny day. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. Nature's music, hear the call. It will be beautiful. Just wait and see.